So I've had these twists in for maybe about 5 days, I think. 4 to 5 days, something around that. But I'm just gonna take my coconut oil and olive oil mix, and y'all know the routine. If you don't, you're supposed to put oil on your hair before you separate it to make it less frizzy. And it also, adds softness and shine when you take it down. So I'm just gonna take about a quarter size amount and rub it in my hands, and then just take it through my hair. Make sure it's really getting on the twist, the roots, everywhere. Kind of squeeze it in. Right here, I'm just noticing my length, y'all. My hair has been growing so beautifully. So now I'm going to take my ponytail holder. If you have shorter hair, you may want to use clips, but it's just to clip the extra twist out the way while you're taking them down. Alright, so another tip when you're taking out your twist or braids, well, just twist mainly, you just want to kind of unravel it the opposite way to make it easier. So now I can do two things. I can either leave it like this, or I can separate these, which I am actually going to separate them just because I want my hair to be a little more thick or whatever. So let's talk about my hair growth. Basically the only thing I've been doing is styles like this, like twists or buns. I barely wear my hair out. It just now stopped being so humid where I live. So I will be wearing my hair out more, but not for that long, because it's going to get colder, and I'm definitely going to need to be doing protective styles then as well. But yes, this is all I've been doing, is protective styling back to back. I'm actually going to be doing some box braids pretty soon. It's going to be my first box braid video I've ever uploaded. I don't think I've ever done box braids on my channel, so that's going to be the first one. So yeah, for this twist out, I only used oil. It was coconut oil and olive oil mixed together. I find that simplicity is working the best for my hair. I just simply moisturize it or whatever. I don't worry about curl creams or none of that. I just make sure my hair is healthy through conditioning and washing it. And when I'm done with that, I use just something to seal in the moisture that's already on my hair. And that has been working the best for me. My hair has been very, very healthy, soft, growing. I just can't believe my growth, and it's still growing. It's been times where I thought I was gonna have to chop off all of my hair because it was so tangled or whatever. But then I started doing stuff like this and started realizing that it's just because my hair likes a certain way. It likes to be in a certain way. So when my hair is out of its element, like if I'm wearing it out too much, it'll start to act up on me. So I have to remember, listen to my hair. Don't get too caught up in other styles. Just try to stick with what works best for you, because if you branch out too much, it will show in your hair's health, and you will definitely start to see that you will suffer from a lot more single strand knots and things like that. So